Welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to see how to install ComfyUI and how we can import workflows to run any open source AI models locally on your PC. ComfyUI is a powerful, node-based graphical UI that gives you granular control over your AI generations. It is highly efficient and perfect for those who want to customize their creative pipeline. Let's get started by searching for ComfyUI on your browser. Click on the first link or where it says comfy.org. Click on Download ComfyUI. There are three options available: download the executable file to install for Windows or Mac, or go to the GitHub repository to check out the codes. I have Windows, so I will download the installer. Once downloaded, open the installation file and click Next. Select your destination folder and hit Next until the installation starts. Before you run the app, I suggest you install Git. It is the same process. Download and open the installation file and hit Next until the installation is complete. Then download Miniconda from the Anaconda website. We only need Miniconda because it is a lightweight version that saves space while managing environments perfectly.
Download the installer and follow the same installation process as before.
I have already installed it, so I will skip this process. If you're working with any text or video models, I suggest you also download SOX Sound Exchange. Also install FFMPEG while you're at it. Once done, open ComfyUI. It will take a bit of time to open as things are running in the background. When open, the dashboard will look like this, and you will have your workflows here. On the top right, you will have extensions. You can add extensions for your AI models from here, which are also called LoRa's. For example, the LTX video model has different extensions here for upscaling. Then there's a run button to run your models, and you can also see how many active runs there are. On the left-hand side, you have assets for your project files, nodes for your functional blocks, models for your checkpoints, workflows for your AI models, and apps to show your active tools. All of these folders are in your ComfyUI installation folder. Go to the ComfyUI folder, then Resources, then ComfyUI, and inside there you will see folders associated with the panels on the left-hand side of the ComfyUI screen. Finally, templates. This is where you can download workflows and AI models. You can see both free and paid software here, which are sorted according to popularity, use cases, utilities, and generation type like video or audio. You can run closed models like 11 Labs here, but you will require an API key which comes with a cost. To run these models, you will need to be logged into ComfyUI, but this has plenty of open source models like LTX Video, Qwen, Kling, and so many more. When you open it, it will prompt you to download the models and additional dependencies required to run the model. It will also show sizes for all. Simply hit download all, and depending on your internet connection, it will be downloaded in a few minutes. I have not downloaded the model yet, but as an example, you can choose a photo from the load image panel, give an appropriate prompt, check the size and resolution, and finally run the model. It will not run on mine yet, but when it completes, you will see the result in the Save Video node. There has been a new update from ComfyUI regarding Dynamic VRAM, where it now supports low-end GPUs and has cut GPU requirements by almost half. As you can see in the figures here, the red line shows how much time it used to take to run something, and in green you can see the new run with Dynamic VRAM. It has been significantly improved. If you want to read more, I will leave a link in the description box so you can go and check it out yourself. You might have watched the video without noticing this was an AI-generated voice-over of my audio with mixtures and emotions added. I have generated this using Qwen 3 text-to-speech software, which is one of the best open-source text-to-speech generators out there. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned, as I will be dropping a video soon on how you can install this model on your PC and run it locally with very less VRAM. I'm using a GTX 1050 graphic card with 4GB VRAM and 16GB RAM, so it can run on your PC fine. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. Stay ahead.